सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः। अद्यतनी कक्षा वर्तते 35-उत्तर-300तमी 335th क्लास टुडे। चतुर्थ दिनांकः सेप्टेम्बर् मासस्य। एतावत्पर्यन्तं सो फार् 65 श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः। 65 श्लोकाः पठिताः। एतैः 65 श्लोकैः बहवः सम्बद्धाः श्लोकाः अपि पठिताः यथा ज्ञायते, जानन्ति भवन्तः। अद्य तु अंतिम गतकक्षायां पठितानां 5 श्लोकानां श्लोकपञ्चकस्य अभ्यासः वर्तते, शेषः वर्तते। अभ्याससंख्या अस्ति 13 अभ्यासः। एतस्मिन् यथा जानीमः वयम् अस्मिन् अभ्यासे तत्र बहवः अंशाः भवन्ति। एकतः आरभ्य दशांशाः कदाचित् अत्र तु 9 अंशाः सन्ति। एतान् 9 अंशान् दृष्ट्वा अग्रे सरामः। कृत्वा दृष्ट्वा न केवलं दर्शनं, तत्र करणमपि वर्तते। कृत्वा अभ्यासान् कृत्वा अग्रे सरामः। श्रीनिवास, you can take up, sorry. रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयत। As usual, that is the same thing you copy down from the poem given there. ययोः चित्तेन चित्तं वा निभृतं निभृतेन वा समेति प्रज्ञया तयोः प्रज्ञा तयोः मैत्री न जीर्यते। So this is the simplest exercise that you copy down from the page. It is on page 131. 2 poem. संतापात् भ्रश्यते बलम, संतापात् भ्रश्यते ज्ञानम, संतापात् व्याधिम रुच्छति, व्याधिम प्राप्नोति. So that is second poem. तृतीयः श्लोकः एवं वर्तते। अक्रोधेन क्रोधं जयेत्, क्रोधम असाधुं जयेत् साधुना, कदर्यं जयेत् दानेन, जयेत् अनृतं सत्येन च अनृतं, जयेत् सत्येन च अनृतं. So that is the third poem. Fourth poem you filling up is यथा सर्पः जीर्णां. Where is it? Any jumping is taken? Oh, so okay, order is changed here. यथा सर्पः जीर्णां त्वचं अवमुच्य सुखं शेते, तथा यः महान्तमपि अर्थम् अधर्मयुक्तं, यः महान्तमपि, the first line, महान्तमपि अर्थम् महान्तमपि अर्थम् अधर्मयुक्तं यः, that is preceding संत्यजति. This is just jumbled up here. सः अनपाकृष्ट एव अवमुच्य सुखं शेते. सर्प इव, अगेन सर्प, वही सर्प. स अनपाकृष्ट एव जति, अनाकृष्ट एव सुखं सुदुःखान्यवमुच्य, एव सुखं सुदुःखानि अवमुच्य शेते. Well, this is not an exercise as such, but okay. Fifth, last one. Ati Ye, again here jumbled up. Anvayartha is ye arthaha atikleshena स्युः धर्मस्यातिक्रमेण वा ये अर्थाः अतिक्लेशेन स्युः धर्मस्य अतिक्रमेण वा अरेः वा इज देयर अरेः प्रणिपातेन वा स्युः तेषु मनः मा स्म कृताः तेषु मनः मा स्म कृताः. Well, whatever they can do, those who have books only can do this exercise. Otherwise, writing is very big. We'll move on to second Srinivas. Dvitiyamsham, as usual, ekena padena uttaram lekhaniyam. Yayoho prajna prajnaya sameti tayoho kana jiryati. Yayoho prajna prajnaya sameti. Between which two people, intelligence joined with intelligence. Maitri. So tayoho ka jiryati means na jiryati, what does not get diminished. Means Maitri ka is strilinga, therefore Maitri shabda is to be noted. So eka padam atra Maitri iti. Ka iti prashnartaka padasya sthane Maitri iti uttaram bhavati. Dvitiyam Naraha. Due to what does man get diseased? Naraha santapat vyadhim prapnoti. So ekam padam santapat upari Maitri atra santapat. Tritiyaha Naraha krupanam kena jetum shaknoti. By what does man will be able to win over the miser? Naraha krupanam danena jetum shaknoti. Danena. Kena danena. Kena iti prashnasya uttaram danena iti bhavati. Shlokastaha padam. Slokastha padena danena iti. Danena naraha krupanam jetum shaknoti. Miser.
Here it is kadariyam, sir.
Kadariyam. I think word is changed. Krupana kadariyam, both are misers. Fourth, sarpaha
vina kashtam
kam tyajati. What does a snake leave without any effort, without any difficulty? Tvacham. Yeah, sarpaha vina kashtam, without any effort. Tvacham tyajati, leaves its skin, slough, as we say. Kam. Because tvak shabda is strilinga, therefore kam is used here. Fifth, shatroho iti sthane. What is the word used in the place of shatru? Shatroho. Kaha shabdaha arihi. Arihi shabdaha. Arehe iti. Kaha arihi. Arihi shabdaha prayuktaha. Kaha is to be replaced by the one word arihi. Okay? Sixth.
Jirnam ityasya visheshanam kim?
I think there is a mistake here, Srinivas. Jirnam ityasya visheshanam. Jirna itself is visheshana. Visheshyam it should be. So we make a correction here. Jirnam iti asya ityasya visheshyam kim? What is the noun for the adjective jirnam? Then tvacham will be coming. Tvak shabda is this is noun. Jirna shabda is visheshana. So visheshana word should be corrected as visheshyam. Jirnamityasya visheshyam kim? Visheshyam nama noun, substantive. Third part. So we will just rapid sum up this. First one word ekam padam Maitri uttaram. Dvitiyasya ekam padam santapat. Trutiyasya kena iti sthane danena. Fourth one is kam tvacham. Fifth one kaha is arihi. And the sixth one, there is a mistake to be corrected. Visheshanam should be visheshyam. noun, that is tvacham. Tvacham. So evam dvitiyamshah sampannah, trutiyamshah sandhim kuruta. Sandhihi kriyatam itra. So wherever sandhi is to be done, yayoscha, simply tayor maitri, there sha yer, yayoscha tayor maitri chittam nibrutam. So this is anuswara, dot it becomes chittam nibrutam. Cha, this is savarna, cha chanrutam, api plus artham yanadesha apyartham, santyajati plus anapakrustaha, santyajat yanapakrusta yanadesha sandhi, which are all there located, can be seen in the poems. Ete sarvepi sandayah tatra slokeshu drashtum shakyanti. Saptamah Sudukkanyavamuchya. This is again yan sandhi, yanadesha sandhi. 8th one, iva plus avamuchya, savarna dirgha sandhi. Iva muchya. 9th one is ye arthaha, ye arthaha. This is avagra purarupa, whatever it is, like which page it is? It is last poem, 65th poem, ye arthaha. So you delete and put avagra, ye arthaha, and the last one, 10th one, arerva, visargasya repadisha. Arerva, I think this is the last one, arerva. Where is it? Yes, first starting word in the last 65th poem. Pancha Shashtatama Slokasya Dvitiya Panktau Prathama Shabdaha, Prathama Padam Adimaha Shabdaha. Okay, that is Dvitiya Amshaha. Tritiya Amsha is Samaptaha. Chaturtha Amsham Purnena Vakyena Uttaram Lekhaniyam. Now you have to write full answers for 7 here. Kayoho Maitri na jiryati. Oh, you have to write a lot here. The whole poem. Yayor Chittena, the whole thing you have to write. First poem is, the entire poem is the answer for this. Yayor Chittena va Chittam Nibrutam Nibrutena va Sameti Pragnaya Pragna Tayor Maitri na jiryati. So copy first poem. Second full answer. Santapat kim bhrashyate. What are gets lost by due to santapa, or what is say suffering or misery. So santapat rupam balam gnanam cha bhrashyate. Kim bhrashyate, rupam balam gnanam. These are the 3 things located in the poem 62nd. Santapat bhrashyate rupam, bhrashyate balam, bhrashyate gnanam. Vyadim ruchyati. Now he is only asking what are lost. So 3 things are lost, but gain is roga. Vyadhim ruchyati. So rupam balam jnanam. Santavad. Third one, krodham kena jet asadum cha kena. Krodham, you have to write your answers fully. Krodham akrodhena jayet asadum cha sadhuna jayet. Krodham akrodhena jayet asadum cha sadhuna jayet. This is the full answer. 4. Kidrusham dhanam tyaktva naraha sukham apnoti. Mahantamapyartham adharma yuktam dhanam. So that is the answer which is there in the poem number 64, beginning word, first word. Mahantamapyartham adharma yuktam dhanam tyaktva naraha sukham apnoti. So this big word has to be written in the place of kidrusham dhanam. What type of money? Leaving what type of money man becomes happy or man obtains happiness. 5. Keshu artheshu manaha na kartavyam. In what matters should we not keep our mind, entertain our mind? So Atiklesharthe, I think this is there in
65.
but you have to change here. Last poem, Atiklesharthe, because the question is Keshu Artheshu, in what matters? So you have to put the answer also in Saptami. Atiklesharthe dharmasya atikramane arehe pranipati. So these three things. Atiklesharthe dharmasyatikramane arehe pranipati eteshu manah na kartavyam. Do we need to write? This may be. I think 4 or 5 need to be written, Srinivas. Then we'll write anyway. Sixth. Due to what does man become sick? Santapat naraha rugnaha bhavati. And the seventh one? Kriyapadam prayuktam. What's the verb used in the place of swapiti? Swapiti iti sthane sete iti kriyapadam prayuktam. Sete iti kriyapadam prayuktam. So I will only write fourth and fifth answers. First answer is very big, only the entire poem has to be written out there. So Abhyasa 13.
Yes.
Part 0.4. What is the answer? Yes. Mahantamapyartham. Adharma. That is. Okay, we'll break here. Mahantamapi artham. Yuktam. The remaining is same. 5. Here. Atiklesharthe next. Atiklesharthe dharmasya atikramane. Dharmasya atikramane. Break atikramane. One more. Pati. Arehe. That is understood. The last one is only one word, Shete. Swapiti sthane, disthane, kriyapadam Shete prayuktam. So, evam chaturtha amshaha, trayo dashamasya abhyasasya, chaturtha amshaha evam asti, panchama amshaha, fifth part of this. Bhinnapadam chinuta. Now, different word you have to pick up. This is a kind of a little lagvi pariksha chhatranam krute. Now, odd man out, yatha Angla bhashayam vayam kathayamaha, odd man out. So, what is oddity here? One. Why? Reason is atikleshena trutiya, atikramena trutiya, sadhuna is also trutiya. All are used in trutiya, and santapat is panchami. So it is odd. Bhinnam. Bhinnam iti tyajyam. Okay, second.
Kadariyam Arthaha sudukhani sukhani.
So what is the vibhakti running? You watch. Kadaryam Arthaha, this is Prathama. Kadaryam is Dvitiya. Arthaha is Prathama Bahuvachana. Sudukhani is Prathama Bahuvachana, Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Sukhani could be Prathama Bahuvachana, Dvitiya Bahuvachana.
So Arthaha.
Mostly I think Sudukhani, they are all, they can be in Dvitiya, and therefore one Prathama is there, Arthaha is odd, Bhinnam. Arthaha iti padam bhinnam asti ataha nishkasayam. We'll remove it. Okay. Then third one. Prajna is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, Prathama. Chittam Prathama. Asaduhu Prathama. Jirnam Dvitiya. Jirnam Dvitiya. So odd man bhinnam padam asti Jirnamiti. Yataha Jirnamiti padam Dvitiya vibhaktau Prathama एकवचने वर्तते शेषानि पदानि प्रज्ञापदं चित्तं पदं असाधुः इति पदं एतानि त्रीणि अपि तत्र प्रथमायां भवन्ति. So they are in prathama, this is in dvitiya, so that is jirnam is odd, bhinnam. Fourth,
dharmasya avamuccha tayoho arehe.
very easy. Dharmasya is shashti, avamucya is lyap, tayoho is shashti, arehe is shashti, therefore avamucya. Tayoho is shashti dvivachana, arehe is shashti ekavachana, dharmasya is shashti ekavachana, avamucya is tvanta, lyabanta, and that is odd bhinnam. Fifth, manaha.
Chittam rupam asadhum manaha.
No, manaha could be prathama dvitiya. Chittam prathama dvitiya, rupam prathama dvitiya, but asadhum cannot be prathama dvitiya. Got it? You apply. Manaha can be prathama ekavachana, dvitiya ekavachana. Chittam can be, because napumsaka linga shabdas. Chittam can be prathama ekavachana, dvitiya ekavachana. Rupam can be prathama ekavachana, dvitiya ekavachana, but asadhum cannot be prathama ekavachana. It is only dvitiya ekavachana. Asadhu shabda, asadhuhu prathama, asadhum dvitiya ekavachana. So this is bhinnam. Etad bhinnam asti ataha nishkasayama. So we take out this asadhum. So the answers again: santapat number 1, odd bhinnam padam, dvitiye. द्वितीयायां पंक्तौ अर्थाः इति भिन्नं पदं, तृतीय पंक्तौ जीर्णामिति भिन्नं पदं, चतुर्थ पंक्तौ अवमुच्य इति, पंचम पंक्तौ असाधुम इति. Now these are the odd words, भिन्नानि पदानि. Now sixth part, Srinivas. Viloma padani. The antonyms or opposite words you have to match here. And how many are there? 6 are there. Akrodha, very krodha. Asaduhu, this on the next page. Cha saduhu. Asaduhu joins with cha saduhu. Satyam also on the follow. Anrutam gha. So these 3 answers are: 1 is kha, 2 is cha, 3 is gha. Srinivas. Then we move. Dharma yuktam gnya, adharma yuktam. There only you can see. Gnya. And pancha, 5th one, dukkhani ga. You have to look, come back here. Sukhani, opposite. Dukkhani, sukhani. Anupalanam. Anupalanam is following atikramanam or. So the answers are 1 kha, 2 cha, 3 gha, 4 gnya, 5 gha, and 6th is ka. Kha, cha, gha, gna, ga, ka. These are the answers. Well, not very difficult as such. Saptama amshaha, 7th point. He says 61 to 65 slokebhyaha एकषष्टि श्लोकतः पंचषष्टि श्लोक पर्यन्तं ये श्लोका वर्तन्ते तेभ्यः श्लोकेभ्यः तृतीयान्त पदानि चित्वा पिकिंग अप दी इंस्ट्रूमेंटल केस तृतीया विभक्ति padas words likata you have to write. So you have to go back and come here. From all the 5 poems, whatever tritiya vibhakti padas are there, instrumental case. For example, chittena, one is given. Second one is nibhrutena. First poem, nibhrutena pragnaya. So in the first poem we have 3 trutiyanta padas, Srinivas. One is given chittena, second one is nibhrutena, third one is pragnaya. That's it. So nibhrutena pragnaya. Okay? Now second poem we'll look. Santapat bhrashyate rupam, santapat bhrashyate balam, santapat bhrashyate jnanam, santapat svayadi. No. So in this 62nd poem there are no trutiyantas. 63rd poem we have akrodhena sadhuna, akrodhena sadhuna danena, third word satyena. 4 trutiyantas are there. I repeat, akrodhena sadhuna danena satyena. So you have to over. Then in the poem number 64, first line doesn't have trutiyanta. Even second line there is no. Could you find? No, there is not there. In the 64th poem, there isn't any word in trutiya. Ekamapi padam trutiyante nasti. So we look to the 65th poem, Srinivas. Atikleshena, atikramena, second word, atikramena. Last poem, they are reading pranipatena. That's it. 3 words in this is the 65th poem. Atikleshena. So I sum up once again. Chittena, nibhrutena, pragnaya, akrodhena, 5th sadhuna, 6th danena, 7th satyena, 8th ati kleshena, and the 9th one atikramena. So evam rupena trutiyanta padani vayam chitavantaha. Then 8th one, adholikita vakyeshu kriya padani yoja. Now you join the verbal forms or verbs in the following sentences. Sajjanayoho chittam chittena kimeti. Kimeti sameti. Srinivas. Look for this in poem number 61, Srinivas. Sameti. Poem number 61 on page, in short page, you see 131. The second line, first word, sameti, verb. Got it? Second line, first word. First poem, 61 poem. Sameti. Sajjanayoho chittam chittena sameti. Okay? Poem number 61, line number 2, first word. Okay, Srinivas? This we will write, otherwise it's only one word. 2. Naraha jayet. It comes very naturally to our memory. 3. Santapat jnanam bhrashyati, verb. Santapat jnanam bhrashyati. Okay? 4. I think numbering in this part are wrong, Srinivas. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 it is given. Okay, they can make out. Santapat jnanam prashyati. Adharma margena sanchiteshu dhaneshu manaha ma kruthaha. Ma kruthaha. This is there in 65th poem, Srinivas. And this is 4th actually. 5th one is Vivekinaraha mahantamapi adharma yuktam dhanam samtyajati. Samtyajati. This is there in the 64th poem. Vivekinaraha mahantamapi adharma yuktam dhanam samtyajati. And the Sixth one, which is not seventh here. Sajjanayoho maitri na, what is the verb? Na jiryati. It should be that only. Jiryati, na jiryati. Sajjanayoho maitri na jiryati, Srinivas. So the answers are eighth part of this. Sameti jai. Can you repeat? I will write.
Yes.
It doesn't take much time. Part eighth. I will write here. Yavan Sameti. We are only writing the verbs. Sameti. Two.
Naraha satyena amrutam
Jayet. Three.
santapat jnanam jeevite.
Santapat Gnanam
Brashyate.
Prashyati. Brashya
Brashyate.
Te.
Brashyate.
Atmanepadam. Okay. Next.
Adharma margena sanchiteshu dhaneshu manahama krutha.
4. Vrutama Krutaha. Next.
Viveki narha mahantamaki adharma yuktam dhanam santyajati.
Samtyajati. Next, last one.
Sajjanayoho maitri na
Jiryati. Sixth one, na Jiryati. Sorry. Yes. Amshaha Navamaha. Ninth point here. Adholikitani Rekha Chitrani Purayat. This is the simplest. Part 1 and part 2 are there, Srinivas. Naraha akrodhena krodham jayet. Naraha sadhuna asadhum jayet. Naraha danena kadaryam jayet. Naraha satyena amrutam jayet. So akrodhena sadhuna danena satyena. So all the words are in Trutiyanta. All are Trutiyanta. Then two part. Can read, Sinu?
Yes, sir. Santapaha nashayati.
Santapaha kim nashayati iti.
Rupam
Santapaha rupam nashayati. Santapaha balam nashayati. Santapaha jnanam nashayati. So question could be Santapaha kim nashayati. Santapaha rupam nashayati, balam nashayati, jnanam nashayati. So Yogyata Vistar, extension of the exercise here. Mahat Shabda is given here. In the 64th sloka, Mahantam iti padam asti. There is a usage of Mahantam, Dvitiya Ekavachana. Etat Mahat Shabdasya Purlingasya Dvitiya Ekavachanantam Rupam asti. Mahat Shabdasya Purlinge Rupani Evam Bhavati. The declension of Mahat Shabda are given here, just for ready reckoner like reference. Mahan, Mahantau, Mahantaha. Mahantam, Mahantau, Mahataha. Mahata, Mahadbhyam, Mahadbihi. Mahate, Mahadbhyam, Mahadbhyaha. Mahataha, Mahadbhyam, Mahadbhyaha. Mahataha, Mahatoho, Mahatam. Mahati, Mahatoho, Mahatsu. He Mahan, He Mahantau, He Mahantaha. This is the Mahat Shabda. And the second part, Asadhatoho Vidilingi.
It should be He Mahan, sir. Sambodhi.
He Mahan, Mahan is Prathama, na? Mahan only. Prathama will not be repeated. He Brahman, he Vidvan, Vidwan, he Vidvan, he Vidvan. So, he Mahan, Mahantau, Mahantau, Mahantah. That's it. So, learn it, Takaranta. Next, Asa dhatoho vidilingi. In the potential mode of the asa bhuvi dhatu is then astistaha santi. Remember or forgotten? Asti. Very important verb like bhavati. Asti staha santi asi sthaha stha asmi swaha swaha. Lat lakare. Lang bhute asit astam asan asihi second person. Astam Asta, first person. Aswa, oh sorry, Asam, Asam, Aswa, Asma. Aham Asam, I was there. Tvam Asihi, you were there. Saha Asit, he was there. Ekavachanas. So future is common between Asa future, Bhu, Bhava, Dhatu future are same. Bhavishyati, Bhavishyatha, Bhavishyanti. Lot lakara is different. Lot. Astu, stam, santu. Asa. Loti. Loti prayoga. Asa usage in lot agnartha. Astu, stam, santu. Edhi, syatam, syata. And then first person. Syam, syava, syama. No, sorry. Asani, asava, asama. Asani, asava, asama. Well, Vidiling is given. Syat, syatam, syuhu. We have come across. Why the book is giving? Because we have come across. Syuhu. Syat, syatam, syuhu. Syaha, syatam, syata. Syam, syava, syama. In the Vidiling, potential mode, this is in English. So, evam rupena नव अंशाः त्रयोदशमस्य अभ्यासस्य नव अंशाः अस्माभिः इदानीं पूर्णाः कृताः नूतनं पञ्चकं प्रारभते षट्षष्टितमः श्लोकः 66th पोयम यत्र शीर्षं वर्तते दुरु किं तत् दुरुपायार्जितं धनं न यशसे दुर उपायया अर्जितं दुरुपायेन अर्जितं दुरुपायया धनं न यशसे. It money earned through wrongful means does not bring about fame. That is the meaning, Srinivas. Durupayarjitam dhanam na yashase na kirtaye iti. Wrongfully earned money does not bring about your fame, does not promote your fame. So go with the sloka, Srinivas.
Prapnoti vai vittam asad balena nityothanat pragnaya paurushena natveva samyak labhate prashamsam na uttamapnoti mahakulanam. Prapnoti vai vittam asad balena nitya उत्थानात् प्रज्ञया पौरुषेण न तु एव सम्यक् लभते प्रशंसां न वृत्तम् आप्नोति महाकुलानाम्. अन्वयार्थः असद् बलेन नित्यम् उत्थानात् प्रज्ञया पौरुषेण वै वित्तम् आप्नोति सम्यक् प्रशंसां न एव लभते nacha mahakulanam uttam apnoti.
So what are the ill effects of earning money through wrongful means? They are outlined here. What are the consequences rather? Parinamah कीदृश तत्र परिणामः भवन्ति दुरुपायार्जितं यदि धनं भवति. If money is earned through wrongful means, he says, we will directly go to Anvayartha. Anvayartha, yes. Asad balena. Asad balena means with wrong, man may earn, you can say, wealth with asadbala, not sadbala, but a wrongful means. Nityam uttanat pragnaya paurishena vaich vittam apnoti. Sadbala, asadbala. Effort. Bala is effort here, Srinivas. Wrong effort. Nityam, always, uttanat pragnaya, or all the time trying to, nityam, all the time trying to, man may earn wealth with continuous wrongful means, and then pragnaya with his nityam uttanat pragnaya paurushena, or he may earn money with his pragna, intelligence, or with paurusha, with his hard work. But if vittam apnoti, if the means is not correct, Srinivas, asadbala, if the means is bad, then samyak prashamsam na eva lavati sapurushaha. That person, if the who adopts a wrongful means to gain using his intelligence and his hard work, makes money, he will not samyak prashamsam na eva lavati tadrusha purushaha. Yaha evam karoti saha evam prashamsam na lavati. Samyak prashamsam na lavati, na prapnoti. Na kevalam prashamsam na lavati iti na apicha mahakulanam vrittam apnoti. Na mahakulanam vrittam apnoti. That means neither he gets the appreciation nor he gets the character suitable to great families. That means he will not have children with good qualities. A man who earns money by wrongful methods, he will neither have appreciation outside nor will he be getting children with good qualities. He will not get good quality children. That is what he says. Na vrittam apnoti mahakulanam. Mahakulanam vrittam na apnoti. He will not get. So is it okay? So yaha purushaha asadbalena nityam uttanat pragnaya paurushena vai apnoti dhanam saha जीवने सम्यक प्रशंसाम न एव नैव लभते न केवलं प्रशंसाम न लभते परंतु अपितु महाकुलानां वृत्तमपि न प्राप्नोति न आपनोति इति तत्र अर्थः. Any more to be explained here? Asad balena means asatam balena, with the strength of wrong people also. Sadbala is Satpurushanam balam. Asadbalam Asatpurushanam Asatam balena. Vittam prapnoti. Here the word Nitya Uttanat is there, Srinivas, that you can take by constantly putting in efforts. Nitya Uttanat, by constantly putting in efforts. And of course with his intelligence and hard work. See, three things are good here, Srinivas, you have to watch. Constant effort is there, intelligence is there, hard work is there, but only one thing wrong there. What is that one thing wrong? Asad balam is there. If he resorts to take the help of the wrong people, wicked people or not virtuous people, unvirtuous people, then the consequence will be like this. Is it okay?
Yes.
So first half says, if man earning like this, there are three good efforts are there, qualities are there, but because of the Asad Bala composition, his whole thing is getting spoiled. We will see poem, Sambandha Slokas. Bhavartha is there, yes.
मनुष्यः दुष्टेन
उपायेन
निरन्तरश्रमेण
प्रज्ञया पौरुष्येन वा
महत् धनं तु प्राप्तुं
शक्नोति. What he says here, man dushtena upayena, with a wicked plan. Upaya means plan, strategy. With a wicked plan, strategy, nirantar sramena, continuous effort, pragnaya with his intelligence, buddhya, paurushena, mahadhanam tu praptum shaknoti, he is able to get money, no doubt. Because there are three positive factors here. Paurusha, prajna and nitya, continuous effort. But only the one thing is bad is that dushta upaya is there. Dushtanam upaya. So, parantu, you have to read. Etena.
Parantu etena dhanena nava yashaha
Nava uttamakulanam vrittam praptam. But etena dhanena, with this kind of money earned, nava yashaha, neither he gets yashas, fame, nava uttamakulanam vrittam praptam, nor will he is he able to get the qualities of the high-born family to his children. Ataha, therefore, dharmopayena dhanam arjayediti bhavaha. So one should earn money through right means only, not with wrong means. So that is what we see, Srinivas. We can analyze this. People who earn lots of money, especially in our country, India, by wrongful methods, their children spoil the whole thing. They become characterless fellows. Because money earned by parents in a very illegal manner, of course with hard work and all, but illegal manner, immoral manner, and such people's children, we are found to be misusing the wealth and making them bankrupt also. Some of the slokas, you know.
Vrittam yatnena samrakshet.
This is the famous poem.
Vittam ayati
Yaticha.
Akshino vittataha kshino vrittatastu
Hato hataha. This is a very famous quotation actually, sloka. Vrittam yatnena samrakshet pada chedaha. Vrittam yatnena samrakshet vittam ayati yaticha. Vittam, vrittam. There are two contrasting words here. Opposite, not opposite words, contrast, used in. Similar sounding words rather. What is that? One is vrittam, another is vittam. Just like in the previous class I told you, chita and chinta, with a very, very micro, narrow difference. It makes a big sense when it comes to convey these message, chita dahati nirjeevam, chinta dahati sajeevam, something like that here, Srinivas. Both are ending in tam. One is vrittam, another is vittam. Vrittam is character, vittam is dhanam. Sheelam. Vrittam is sheelam. Srinivas. Vrittam is sheelam. Vittam is dhanam. A lot of difference. Sounding same. Vrittam, vittam. So, vrittam yatnena samrakshet. First half of the poem says, a man should, purushaha, vrittam yatnena prayatnena suyatnena samrakshet. Man should protect his character by all effort, putting in all effort. By all means, man should protect his conduct or character. After all, what is money? Now he goes to say, vittam ayati. Vittam is dhanam, ayati, eti. Vittam ayati nama eti. Money comes, yati cha. Vittam ayati, vittam yati cha. Money comes in, money goes out. I think you are a student of commerce, no? So they say, definition of money. Money is what comes in and goes out. There is one more, I think, I don't know. They say money is an exchange of, what do you say, services or what? Money, definition of money. Money is an exchange of services or goods or whatever. You say something, na? So what's money? Liquid money is what comes in and what goes out. And not like you also say credit is what comes in, debit is what goes out. You say in commerce, what is credit? Credit is that which comes in. Debit is goes out, something like you say, something like that here. Vittam ayati, the nature of money is that it comes in. Yati cha, vittam yati cha. Yati means gacchati. Ayati means agacchati. Remember, yati means gacchati. Money's nature is that, Srinivas. Money is what comes and goes. How? By way of exchanging. For everything, for every transaction you need money. All transactions, vyavahara in the society are done by money only. So money comes, money goes. But does character come and go? No. Money, if you have lost, you can earn, but if you lose your character, you will never be able to get it back. That is what the idea here. So next line says, akshinaha vittataha. Manushyaha naraha vittataha akshinaha bhavati. Kshinaha akshinaha bhavati. Manushyaha vittataha. Vittataha means by money. Manushyaha vittataha kshinaha api akshinaha bhavati. Manavaha naraha vittataha kshinaha api akshinaha bhavati. Man is not lost if he has lost by money. If he has become economically bankrupt, nothing, he can make money. Or if he has lost money or incurred loss, say, in business, he has lost lots of money, but he can make money. So, vittataha, manushyaha vittataha kshinaha api, though he is finished by money, akshinaha is not totally destroyed. But vrittatastu, vrittatastu hataha, purushaha vrittatastu hataha, once his character is assassinated or character is ruined, as we say. Vrittatastu hataha. Hataha means once his character is destroyed, ruined, marred, hataha is finished. Once character is gone, gone forever. So, man has a choice whether to protect money or protect the character. Earn money at the cost of losing character. That should not be there. Earning money at the cost of losing one's character is not desirable. That is what is. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now these two words, Srinivas, vittataha, vrittataha. See, in the first line, vrittam, vittam, both are, I said, contrasting, like both are in prathamanta. This is tasil pratyaya, vittataha, vrittataha. From the point of money, from the point of character. So this is panchami artha. From money loss, no loss. From character loss, everything is loss. You have a saying in English? What is that saying? Remember? If you have lost money, no. There is a saying, Srinivas, if you have lost money, nothing is lost, but if you have lost your health, something is lost. If you have lost your character, everything is lost. Am I right in that order? If money is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. That's next poem, you can just read.
Yadhanam
Yajna Devatvam
Tadvidur
Buddhaha Tadvidur Buddhaha
Ayajvanam tu Yadvittam Asuratvam Taduchyate.
This may be Sambandha Sloka, but far-fetched idea is there. Manusmriti. Yad dhanam, yat dhanam, whatever money, property, yagnashilanam devatvam, whatever money of the people who are performing the yajna, who are very eager to perform the yajna, yajnashilanam. Whatever money, whatever property of the people who are very eagerly, enthusiastically perform sacrifices, yajnashilanam devatvam tad viduhu buddhaha. So, buddhaha devatvam tad viduhu. Srinivas. Whatever is the property of those who are performing the sacrifices very enthusiastically, tad dhanam devatvam viduhu buddhaha. The wise call that property, that dhana, as the property of the gods. Srinivas. Far-fetched idea, I told you. Yad dhanam yagnashilanam vartate, that property or the money or the wealth of those who enthusiastically offer sacrifices, conduct the sacrifices, buddhaha tad viduhu. Wise people call that devatvam. They call that the property, the wealth of the gods. That means whatever you sacrifice, offer in the sacrifice, that is the property of the gods. Understand? First line means whatever you give in sacrifice, whatever you put into the sacrifice in the form of oblation, ahuti, that is the property of the gods. Right, Srinivas? Ayajvanam tu yad vittam asuratvam taduchyate. On the contrast, on the other hand, but the wealth of those who do not perform. What about ayajvanam? Means those people who do not perform the yajna. Asuratvam taduchyate. That is called asuratva. That is called the property of the asuras. Yad vittam asuratvam taduchyate. That means people who do not perform yajna, yaga, that money is the money, what you call that money is called the property of the asuras, demons. Okay? I think we'll stop here, Srinivas. We'll analyze this poem again in the next class. Shubham Bhuya.